Tell me about yourself.
Myself is introvert person and I have skill of hardworking person.
I apply the job interview.
I applied the job interview because I want to supply my needs and wants and to sustain my daily life and goals and to more experience of that job.
Talk about a major obstacle that you had to overcome. How did you overcome that obstacle to achieve your goal?
Achieve overcome obstacle because to know your limit and to more experience of that job to achieve your goal and to success in the future.
Tell me about a time you solicited feedback from those around you and applied it to your performance.
Uh, Solicited feedback to around apply. My performance is very slow because I have uh, low because I have no experience that the job for the company to but that time solicited or feedback those around to apply.
Give me an example of when you changed your mind on a topic after receiving new or additional information.
Give additional information to topic of about how to improve yourself on the daily life to achieve new goals and to become a model of the others student or become a successful in the future.